all of you. Uh, Today we are going to start our third exercise, but before starting third exercise we have to know the meaning of face value and place value. So face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself irrespective of its place in the number. Face value are always be the number itself, there is no change. Means, for example, face value of 2 is 2, face value of 5 is 5, face value of 6 is 6. And next is place value. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Means it depends always according to their position. For example, 32,745 is the number. So here we can say that 5 is in ones place, 4 is in tens, 7 is in 100, 2 is in 1000 and 3 is in 10,000 place. According to that, we have to solve few questions. The first question is, find the value, face value and place value of the encircled digits. Here circle 1 is 7, means 13,791. Here 7 is circled, that means we have to find out the place value as well as face value of 7. So face value of 7 will be always 7. Now place value of 7. So 7, first of all we have to find out the place value. So ones, tens, 100, that means 7 is in 100 place. So 7 into 100, that means 700, or we can say that 7 is in hundreds place. The same way, second question is 24,352. Here circle is 4, so face value of 4 is 4, place value of 4 is equal to 4 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, that means 4 into 1000, so 4000, or we can say that 4000s place. These two questions you have to solve by yourself. Next is write in expanded form. Here the number is given, you have to elaborate this number according to their place values. 25,308. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 2 is in 10,000 place, that means we have to multiply it by 10,000, plus 5 is in 1000 place, so we have to multiply it by 1000. 3 is in 100, so multiplied by 100. 0 is in tens, multiplied by 10. 8 is in ones, so we have to multiply it by 1. That means when we multiply it by this number, so 2 into 10,000 is equal to 20,000, plus 5 into 1000, 5,000. 3 into 100, 300, 0 into 10, 0, 8 into 1, 8. That means our answer is 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 0 plus 8. Next question is 75,173. Again ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 7 is in 10,000 place, so it will be multiplied by 10,000. 5 is in 1000 place, multiplied by 1000. 1 multiplied by 100. 7 will be multiplied by 10, and 3 will be multiplied by 1 because it is in ones place. Now again multiply all the numbers. So 7 into 10,000, so 70,000, plus 5 into 1000, 5,000. 1 into 100, 100. 7 into 10, 70. 3 into 1, 3. That means our answer is 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 3. Now you have to solve these two questions. Now next one is write in short form. Here this is opposite of the previous question. Here it is given in expanded form and you have to write in short form. So 1 lakh plus 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 6. Now according to their place value we have to arrange the numbers. 1 lakh, so here we have to write 1 in lakh place. 30,000, that means in 10,000 place 3 will become. 1000 place 2, so we have to write here 2. 100, that means in 100 place 1 will become. 70 means 10's place will be 7, and here in 1's place 6. So our answer is 1,32,176. In the same way 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 60. Here 70,000, that means 7 into 10,000, that means 7 is in 10,000 place. So first of all we have to write in the 10,000 place. 5,000, that means 5 is in 1000 place. Now nothing is mentioned in 100 place, that means 100 place we have to write 0 in place of 100 place. Then 60, that means 6 into 10, so 10's place 6 will become, and nothing is mentioned in ones place, that means again we have to put 0 in ones place. So our answer is 75,060. In the same way you have to solve these two questions. Thank you for watching this video.